In this video, I'll be showing you guys what is working for the state of Maryland. So grab a pen, stay with me, and let's break it down. It is good to be back with you guys again, and I hope all of you have been knocking those hits out the park. And I am shocked that I have now hit 1K subs. Thanks to all of you who have been sticking with me, and thanks to all who have recently joined. It is so good to have you guys a part of my Lottery Geek community. So after studying how Maryland picked their numbers for each draw, I discovered which lottery method is working for your state. When trying this method with other states, I noticed that it did not perform as well as it did for the state of Maryland. So for today's video, I'm gonna break it down step by step so you'll know exactly how to use it. For today's example, I'll be starting with Maryland date March 18th, 2026 to find our recent hits. So let's dive in. Now, before setting up this workout, you have to go back 10 draws from the last number that came out in your evening or day draw and count downwards starting from the top. Once you get down to the 10th numbers, you will put those numbers in your workout for your starter digits. Now that you guys understand that, you will now take the last numbers that is at the bottom from going 10 days back and put those numbers for your starter digits for the workout. So for me, I would take my bottom numbers, which is 247, from going 10 days back and put them as my starter digits in my workout. This is what that looks like. Now before you add your next numbers, it's important to put them in the order that they came out in. And the reason why that's important is so that it won't throw you out of order when looking for your hits. So when you count downward from the top and reach the 10th numbers, you will put the 9th number above that 10th number as your starter digit in the workout. Now that you guys understand that and have your starter digits in place, it's now time to add the next two sets of numbers to put with your starter digits. So for me, I will get my next two sets of numbers, which is 901 and 304, and put those digits under my starter digits. Here's what that looks like. Now, after you have those numbers in place, you now want to mirror all those numbers and put those mirror numbers beside your non-mirror numbers. So for me, I will mirror the numbers 247, 901, and 304, which is 792, 456, and 859, and put those mirror numbers beside my non-mirror numbers. Here's what that looks like. Once you have your mirror numbers to your non-mirror numbers in place, you are now ready to start looking for your hits. Now before looking for your hits, you have to know which date sum to use, and what's working for the state of Maryland right now is the month plus day plus year and day plus year date sum. Now that you guys understand that, it's now time to circle your date sum digit in the workout. Now the way that you get your date sum digit to use in the workout is by getting the date from your top numbers that you started with to count downward. Once you have that date from your top number from counting downward, you would then add the month, day in the month, and year individually up together. Once you have the add from adding that up, you will then circle only that digit in the workout. So for me, I would get my date from the top numbers from counting downward, which is March the 22nd, 2026, and add them individually up together like 0 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6, and then take the add that I got from adding that up, which is the number 7, and circle only that digit in the workout. Here's what that looks like. Now, after you have done that and have added your date sum digits in the workout, it's now time to add the second one. Now with the second one, it does two things. First, it will give you the first winning digit to the number that's going to come out in the next draw. And second, it will help complete the finding of the rest of the numbers. You will use the same date sum you used for the month plus day plus year date sum and add up the day and the month and year individually up together, and then circle its mirror digit from the number you got after adding it up in the workout. So for me, I will add up my day in the month, which is the 22nd, and the year 2026 individually, like 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6. Then take the add from that number, which is 4, put that aside, then take the mirror from 4, which is 9, and circle that in my workout. Here's how that looks. Now y'all listen close, because this is important to know about the date sum. Now the number that you got from the second date sum, in my case the number 4, when you go to look for your night hit, you will circle that digit in the same workout and then count up 1 from that digit and circle that mirror digit in the workout. In my case, I count out 1 from 4, which gives me 5, then use its mirror, which is 0, and circle that in the workout. After the even draw, you will start the process all over again, new date, date sum, and mirror, etc. And let me say this, Maryland, this is by far the best workout for you guys for your state. Y'all should really rack in the hits, I mean big ones, from this method. On March the 23rd, 2026 midday, the numbers that hit for that day was 422. Here's a side by side so you can see the way it came. And on March the 23rd, 2026 evening time, the numbers that hit for that night was 985. Here's a side by side so you can see the way it came. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There is more in store where that came from. And Florida, your video is up next, so make sure to be on the lookout. Thank you for watching and feel free to comment.